In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get code from Replit AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to export your project files, especially useful if you've used Replit AI to generate code and now want a clean copy on your computer to back up, share, or open in another editor. First, head to the Replit homepage. This is where all your projects, also called RepLS, are listed. If you don't see the project you're looking for right away, use the search bar or switch to the correct workspace. The goal here is simply to land on the main dashboard where your projects appear. Next, open the project you want to export. Click its card to launch the workspace. Give it a moment to load. You should see the file tree on the left, your editor in the center, and the console or output panel at the bottom or right. If you've been using Replit AI to scaffold or modify code, all those changes are already saved in the project's files you're viewing now. We're about to package those files into a single download. Once the project is open, look to the top right area of the workspace for the three-dot menu. It typically sits near the Run button and other project controls. Click that menu to reveal more options related to your project. If you're not seeing it, try maximizing your browser window or closing any panels that might be covering the toolbar. Also, make sure the project has finished loading, as some options appear only after the workspace is ready. From that menu, choose Download as zip. Replit will gather your project's files and compress them into a single zip archive. Depending on the project size and your internet connection, this can take a few seconds to a minute. Your browser will then save the zip file, usually to the Downloads folder on your computer. That zip contains the code exactly as it exists in your Replit project at the moment you click Download, including AI-generated files you accepted or saved. A quick note, environment variables and private secrets are not bundled into the zip for security reasons. Plan to recreate those locally if your app depends on them. Also, hidden configuration files like .replit and replit.nix are typically included. Keep them if you intend to run the project outside Replit. After the download completes, unzip the file and open the folder in your preferred editor or IDE. That's it, your code is now portable. To recap, go to Replit Home, open your project, use the three-dot menu and select Download as zip. Simple, fast, and reliable.